Huawei just announced its brand new flagship phone series, the Huawei Pura 80 lineup. This exciting series includes 4 models: the Pura 80, Pura 80 Pro, Pura 80 Pro Plus, and the most premium one, the Pura 80 Ultra. These phones come packed with powerful features, fresh designs, and Huawei's latest homegrown technologies. Recently, Huawei has been getting a lot of attention in the tech world, especially because of its progress in making its own chips and increasing smartphone sales. During the official launch event, Yu Chengdong, who's the head of Huawei's smart devices, shared a surprising fact: Huawei has spent over 1.2 trillion yuan, or about $173 billion on research and development in the past 10 years. And just in 2024 alone, the company spent nearly $25 billion on R&D, which was about 20% of its total income for the year. That huge investment is now showing results with the new Pura 80 series. Huawei has overcome a lot of challenges to develop new chipsets for these devices. Let's dive into what these new smartphones bring to the table. First off, let's talk about the design. The Pura 80 Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra have a sleek look with rounded edges and a cool multi-layer camera bump on the back. Meanwhile, the regular Pura 80 keeps it simple with a flat design. As for the screens, the regular Pura 80 comes with a 6.6-inch flat OLED display, while the other 3 models have slightly larger 6.8-inch quad-curved OLED screens. These displays are bright and colorful, offering up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness. They also have an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, meaning you'll get smooth visuals whether you're scrolling, watching videos, or playing games. These displays can show 1.07 billion colors, support P3 wide color gamut, have 460 pixels per inch for sharp images, and come with HDR Vivid for richer contrast and color in every video or picture you view. Now, one of the biggest highlights of the Pura 80 series is its camera system. All 4 models feature a 50-megapixel 1-inch RYYB ultra-large sensor as their main camera. This improves image processing by 200% over the older models and helps with better color accuracy and noise reduction using AI. The Ultra model takes it even further with something called TCG Triple Real-Time Fusion technology. This boosts dynamic range to 16 EV, which means the phone can capture more details in both bright and dark parts of a photo at the same time. Another impressive feature exclusive to the Ultra is a unique dual-lens telephoto system, the first of its kind in the smartphone world. It uses 2 small mirrors inside the camera that let you switch between 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom. The focal lengths vary between 13mm 22, 5mm or 83 and 212mm, giving users lots of flexibility for different kinds of shots. This new setup boosts optical zoom capability by 129% compared to the older Pura 70 Ultra. All of the Pura 80 models run on HarmonyOS NEXT, Huawei's own operating system. This latest version comes with new design features and animations made especially for these flagship phones. It also includes the upgraded Arc engine, which improves the phone's overall performance by 36%. Battery life is another strong area for this series. The Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra models have a large 5700 mAh battery, while the regular Pura 80 gets a slightly smaller but still solid 5600 mAh battery. They also charge really fast, up to 100 watts with a wired connection and 80 watts wirelessly for the higher-end models. The Pura 80 still gets decent speeds at 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. When it comes to pricing, the Pura 80 Pro starts at around $904. The Pura 80 Pro Plus is priced at about $1,100. The high-end Pura 80 Ultra comes in at roughly $1,390. With these new phones, Huawei is making a big statement in the smartphone world. From stunning displays and powerful cameras to smooth performance and long battery life, the Pura 80 series delivers a true flagship experience. Backed by heavy investments in research, Huawei is working hard to make a strong comeback globally. Whether you love taking photos, enjoy high-performance phones, or just want a premium device, the Huawei Pura 80 series is worth checking out.